So we've learned now how to integrate our Stripe account to take payments, and we've also learned how to create promo codes like this one that will give you a discount off of your price. Next, we want to talk about packages and how you can use those coupons and codes to create packages. So now we're back in Stripe in the coupons section of the product catalog, and let's say you're going to sell a package of 10 sessions to your client. So they will purchase those sessions for you, and they have, say, 3 months in which to create all those 10 bookings according to their schedule. So what we want to do is go ahead and create the coupon, and we're going to call this one 10 sessions. Now, it's a percentage discount. They've already paid you, so we want to go ahead and give them 100% off because they don't have to pay again when they make the booking. So we could just go ahead and create that coupon, and so now you've got your 10 sessions coupon that you can apply. As soon as you sell that to somebody, you can go ahead and create the promotion code. So this is the promotion code that you will give specifically to that client for their 10 sessions. So you can make up any code that you want. It could be specific to the company, for example. We'll call this Acme 10. It could be a more generic code that you give, but you want to give each one a different code because you can limit it to the specific customer, but you can also limit the number of times this code can be redeemed. And so if you were saying that they bought a package of 10, it can only be used 10 times. If they try to use it an 11th time, they haven't paid for that, and the code will be rejected. So we go ahead and add that promotion code. So you can see that promotion code listed there. And of course, you can add more as your sales go through. So now here back on your live booking page, they just go ahead and add that code, that Acme 10, and you can see that the 100% has been taken off. So they don't have to pay anything. They complete the order and it just goes through without any payment whatsoever. And so when that does happen, there you go. And you can see here on this information that they have paid nothing, and that is the code that they've used. And then when we go back to the product catalog and into this coupon, you'll be able to see it's been redeemed once already. So you'll know exactly how many they've got left to do. You can also see the same here. So in every promotion code that you add, you can see specifically to them how many times it's been redeemed. And if you set an expiration date for that, you can. If you've said you have to do it within 3 months, that expiration date will be enforced. So you can create packages and these individual codes to give to customers, and they can be very specific to the customer in terms of how many they get to use and within what time frame. And YouCanBookMe works with Stripe to make sure that all of those rules are followed throughout the entire process.